Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sarika Atul Patil. I am working as Assistant Professor in Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune, Maharashtra. I am part of International FDP on Environment and Sustainability. For this, I have chosen topic Waste Management System. Waste collection method is an ongoing challenge due to rapid urbanization. Waste management is all the activities and options required to manage waste from its inception to its final disposal. This includes collection, transportation, treatment, and disposal of waste together with monitoring and regulation. Waste collection methods vary widely among different countries and regions. Domestic waste collection services are often provided by local government authorities. Curbside collection is the most common method of disposal in most countries, in which waste is collected at regular interval by specialized truck. Waste collected is then transported to an appropriate disposal area. Need for improvement in the waste management system. To development of sustainable solution for urban life. By 2030, almost two-thirds of the world population will be living in cities. This fact requires the development of sustainable solution for the urban life. Managing waste is a key issue for the health. To develop efficient and energy-saving waste management. This is for reducing CO2, air pollution, and vehicle exhaust emission. To minimize spreading of disease to people living nearby, up to 60% of waste is not being collected. It is often simply burned by roadside. It can pollute drinking water. It can spread disease to people living nearby. To prevent harm to human health and environment. Waste management prevents harm to human health and the environment by reducing the volume and hazardous characters of residential and industrial waste. The component of the smart waste management system are garbage container, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino board, GSM module, and breadboard. This is the block diagram of waste management system. It consisting of a garbage container, that is dustbin. A waste container is a container for temporarily storing the waste, and it is usually made up of metal or plastic. The curbside dustbin usually consists of three types: trash cans, dumpsters, and wheels bins. The ultrasonic sensor is connected to the dustbin. A special sonic transducer is used for the ultrasonic proximity sensors, which allows for the alternate transmission and reception of sound wave. The sonic waves emitted by the transducer are reflected by an object and received back in the transducer. After having emitted the sound wave, the ultrasonic sensor will switch to receive mode. The time elapsed between the emitting and receiving is proportional to the distance of the object from the sensor. Ultrasonic sensor generates high frequency sound waves and evaluate the echo which is received back by the sensor, measuring the time interval between the sending the signal and receiving the echo to determine the distance to an object. The garbage container is connected to the Arduino board. The first Arduino was introduced in 2005, aiming to provide a low-cost, easy way for creating the projects. It is the open source hardware. Arduino project provides an integrated development environment based on programming language name processing, which also supports the language C and C++. The Arduino board is connected to the GSM module, that is the Global System for Mobile Communication module, which sends the SMS to the concerned authority. The working of the waste management system. The garbage container transmits signal to indicate that they are over 80% or 90% full and should be empty. Via the mobile communication network, the signal are sent to a web-based software application used by the waste management company. In the software, the capacity of the container is indicated, which is taken as a basis to plan the best route for waste collection. Garbage truck travel only to those containers that actually need to be empty. Circuit diagram. The sensor is fixed on the breadboard. The connection between the Arduino board and the sensor is made with the help of connecting wires. The working program is fed into the Arduino board. The GSM module is also connected to the same Arduino board with the help of wire. Advantage of smart waste management system: less time and fuel consumption as the truck go only to the filled containers. It decreases the noise, traffic flow and air pollution. The sensor installed in the container provide real-time information on the fill in the fill level. This information helps determine when and where to prioritize the collection. Applying this technology to the city optimizes management, resources and cost, which make it a smart city. It keeps the surrounding clean and green, free from bad odor of waste, emphasis on healthy environment and keeps cities more beautiful, reducing manpower required to handle the garbage collection. Application of smart waste management system. This can be best used by municipal corporation for their betterment of management regarding collection of waste. With the help of proper technology, GPS, we can guide the truck to choose the shortest path. It also favors the smart city project with Digital India. So by using the smart waste management system, the collection of waste in the city, it helps in reducing the air pollution, traffic flow, manpower, time and money. With the help of proper technology, GPS, we can guide the truck in selecting the shortest path for the garbage collection. Thank you.